Writing style, engaging. Hey everyone, if you're looking to maximize your gym time and get those epic gains, then you've got to get familiar with one of the most versatile pieces of equipment out there, the Smith machine. Today, I'm diving deep into how you can use this powerhouse tool to amplify your workouts. So let's get started. First up, let's talk squats. The Smith machine is perfect for nailing your form. By fixing the barbell's path, it helps you maintain a consistent posture throughout the entire movement. Here's a pro tip. Position your feet slightly forward, not directly under you. This small adjustment focuses the burn in your quads and protects your back. Now, moving on to the bench press. The Smith machine can be a real game changer here. It's especially great if you're lifting solo, since you can set safety stops at any point. This means you can push yourself without needing a spotter. Just make sure to align the bench properly so that when you lower the bar, it touches the right part of your chest. And keep those elbows at a 45-degree angle to maximize muscle engagement and minimize injury. Let's not forget about lunges. They can be a beast to balance, right? The Smith machine stabilizes the bar so you can focus on your form and depth. You can even add variations like rear lunges or side lunges to target different muscle groups. Each step should be controlled and deliberate to fire up those leg and glute muscles. And here's a quick bonus tip before I wrap up. Don't ignore the possibility of using the Smith machine for inverted rows or even pull-ups. Adjust the bar to different heights to challenge your back, shoulders, and arms in new ways. So, there you have it, folks. Incorporating the Smith machine into your workouts can not only add variety, but also precision and safety to your training routine. Remember, the key is to start light, get your form right, and gradually increase the intensity. You're on your way to unlocking some serious gains. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep pushing those limits and make every workout count.